Hey YouTube, Titus again here. More Master Duel content, baby. We are taking Bird up into Platinum because we just hit Platinum from the last video. Don't worry, you don't have to watch it. It's mostly me comboing on people for 30 minutes and then surrendering. Because this deck is crazy. It's a really good desk. But we're gonna take it into Plat 5, and let's hopefully get some more interaction than last time. I want to show how the deck can play through things, but we're going first. So let's see what happens. Let's not get demoted on this video. I would hate to get demoted to Gold 5. Actually, I don't know if you can drop ranks. Somebody knows, let me know in the comments below. Can you drop rank? Oh, this hand is not good. We did not open well. This hand is bad. We're gonna normal summon Kit. Activate Kit effect. Summon Almirage. Kit effect. Are you gonna Ash me? You're gonna Gamma that? I mean, I'm gonna draw a card then. I don't care, I'm gonna draw a card. I need this card. That's fine. Oh no. We didn't draw the right card. Oh. Gamma, good card. All right, let's see what this opponent has here. Gamma on the start, so they like to go second. Shadow Fusion. We're gonna go ahead and activate Max C here. Ash me. You have it. I know you do. You don't. Okay. Shadow Fusion. Are you gonna summon Winda? That would be a real shame if you summoned Winda. Sent Squamata and Squamata for Winda. Yep. Very good. Draw Pot of Desires. Well, that could maybe get us out of this. Squamata Descend? Yep, Squamata Descend is fine. It's only once per turn, so I don't know why you sent 2 Squamata. You should have sent, like, Squamata Windy or Squamata Beast. Yeah, that's fine. Beast effect to draw. Go ahead and draw. That's also fine. Terraforming. Grab Alistair. Yep, grab Meltdown. So why summon Winda first? Why would you not... Okay. This player did this wrong. Please activate Meltdown first, because then I can't stop your fusion spells. I can Ash them, but I can't negate them. But Meltdown is just better. Yeah, grab Alistair. That's fine. Although you summon this Winda up here. Foolish Burial. Okay. Foolish Burial is fine. What are you Foolish Burial? Foolish Barrier. Hedgehog. Interesting. That's fine. Sure. Add a Shadow Monster. Are you gonna summon 2 Winda? I think I'm dead, to be honest. Falco. Falco's good. Falco's pretty good. Normal summon Alistair. Alistair effect. Grab Invocation. Are you gonna make a Kaliga Winda? I think you're gonna make Kaliga Winda, aren't you? Yeah, you are. No, Mechaba. Okay. You're gonna make Mechaba because I forgot about Gamma. Oh, you drew 2 Gamma. Interesting. I drew another Max C. Okay. That's fine. I have to get this Makaba right now, but we're gonna banish the invocation. He has to react here, I think. Oh. So you don't get your Alistair recursion, which is good for me. So does that tell me he doesn't have a monster in hand? He didn't negate it. Maybe he's just saving it. Maybe he thinks he doesn't need it. Nerval's good, but not good enough. Let's activate Desires. Ash. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, he probably has the monster negate, so we're gonna find out. If he has the monster negate, it's GG here. Yeah, he does. Okay, he does. Yep, that's it. That do be game. There we go. Yes! I like playing against something different. I want to play against competent. Let's go. Hold on a second. Okay. I don't think you can be demoted. I don't think you can be demoted a rank. I think you can only climb. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, we're going first. Let's get a better hand than last time. I opened the combo every time in gold. First game in platinum, no combo. That do be the combo. Only problem is, if he ashes this, we're dead. We're fine. No. We're going to special summon Warbler. No, don't interact with this. Don't gamma me, don't imperm me. Alright, okay. Now we gotta play. That was a good imperm spot, to be honest with you. That was pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and summon Barrel Canary here. We are going to overlay for Ferrijit. Not overlay, we're gonna link summon Ferrijit. We're gonna activate Ferrijit effect, we're gonna summon Cobalt Sparrow. We're gonna activate Cobalt Sparrow to add. We're gonna grab Fractal here. No, we can't grab Fractal. I'm sorry, that's wrong. We're gonna grab... Ooh. Ooh. We could grab Barrel Canary. We grab Barrel Canary, we target Warbler, we have 2 bounces plus an Omni. Yeah, we're gonna grab Barrel Canary here. But Nerval is more follow-up. Yeah, we're gonna grab Barrel Canary. We're gonna go ahead, use this, we're gonna summon some Morg. We're gonna activate this, but we really don't need it. We're just kind of looking to see what we get. Karis is good. Yeah, Karis is good. What does Karis get us? Karis gets us to double Dragon Lord and an Omni. No, Karis isn't better than what we have. We have 2 special summon bounces, Ash Blossom, and then we'll have an Omni negate at the end. We're going to set 1, and we're going to pass. We're going to activate some more, get our Omni negate. We summon in defense to play around Lightning Storm. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 interruptions, and we got impermed on our turn. He's gonna set 1. He's gonna activate. Okay. This is once per turn, correct? Yeah, this is once per turn. So we're gonna bounce this. Okay, that's fine. Are you going to Link Summon into Link Karimo here? Which you should do, so you can get this into the grave without taking any damage. There you go. Yeah, let's go! I don't care to bounce that. I think there's better things to bounce. Sure, you can end phase. That's fine. You're going to activate that to summon a Blue Eyes White Dragon. We're just going to go ahead and Ash this here so you can't summon Blue Eyes. Oh, wait, no, that's wrong. That's so wrong. But I think it's okay. We're going to activate Bird here, and we're going to try and... we're going to try and get some plays. We're going to special summon a Cobalt Sparrow. We're going to activate Cobalt Sparrow. We're going to grab a Nerve Ball. I think we kill him. Oh my god. Why is this deck so crazy? Skill drain! Yeah, that's fine, brother. Now you're really dead. Man, skill drain, Blue Eyes is scary. To be completely honest with you, summoning big boys and then skill draining is just really scary. Gonna banish that. We're gonna Link Summon... Oh, I guess I could just summon Access Code here. But that seems bad. This is 54. I only need a monster with like a little bit of attack, right? Let's just go ahead and do it this way. This is still game, but in case he has like a battle fader, this is technically better. Just in case he has like a battle fader. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're fine. We're doing fine. Oh, I am enjoying plat way more than gold. Man, skill drain on Blue Eyes is just like crazy. Alright, we're gonna go first again. Let's see if we can play through some interruption. First game we played, could not play through interruption. Second game we played through that interruption. No problem. Ooh, we don't have the combo. We're gonna activate Fractal here. We're going to send no, not Nerval. We're gonna send Kit. Kit effect. Send Nerval. Nerval effect. Add Karis. Sure. We are going to normal summon Karis here. For 2. Is this right? Hold on, let me think about this. We normal summon, we Ferrijit. We Ferrijit summon Cobalt. Cobalt will search us a winged beast, which can summon Barrel. Whoa, which can search Barrel Canary? Barrel Canary doesn't do anything for us. Unless... No, it won't do anything for us. So we're going to just go ahead and summon. He has Imperm. Or Valor. He has something, because it flipped over to him. And this is... In a simulator, you can tell if your opponent has actually anything at all by the way it passes over the priority, or passes over the attempt to do anything. Banish 2. Are we going to get Gamut here? Gamma or Imperm kind of stops this play. We've opened Oath several times now. Yeah, okay, there's Imperm. That's unfortunate. So now we're relying on Desires. We're relying on Desires to be really good here. It was not good. We banished our bird. Man, we're really about to just set one and pass, huh? We still have 2 interruption, technically. We have Ash, DD Crow. This is not looking hot. Man, our hands have not been good since we got out of gold. I think... Oh, yeah, Extravagance, sure, yeah, banish 6, whatever. And you're a Eldritch player, right? Or a Guru player, probably? Yeah, we're gonna Ash that. I just can't have you draw 2 cards. It's just too good. Sorry, Captain. Yep, there's Eldritch. So, Judgment, Skill Drain, Conquistador, saying Hakero, probably. I don't know. Sapphire Swallow, that's a good draw. That's a good draw. Okay. We're gonna summon Nerval. Do you TT me? Do you Skill Drain? Do you Sanguine? What are you doing? Yeah, okay, there's Sanguine. That's fine. I don't care about Sanguine very much. If all you have is Sanguine, it's fine. Okay. There's Goldie Lord. We do have the DD Crow for Goldie Lord. We're going to activate Sapphire Swallow's effect here. You have Golden Land forever? Activate Cobalt Sparrow. Cobalt Sparrow is going to search. We're going to search Barrel Canary. Trying to think what's the best thing to do here. Alright, we're gonna go for a Recital Starling. We're going to activate Recital Starling. We're going to bump the Karis up because it's funny. Then we're going to activate Recital Starling's effect. We're going to detach the Swallow. We're going to grab Wagtail. We're going to summon Ferrigite off of Nerval Recital. Do you have Judgment? You have Hakero? No. Interesting. Okay. We're gonna add Fractal to hand, probably. Yeah, we'll add Fractal to hand. We have 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4? We do have 4. Okay. Let's activate this effect. Special summon Wagtail. Wagtail effect. Grab Bird Call. We're gonna special summon Samorg. There's the Judgment. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna activate this effect just real quick. We're gonna see if we can stack anything. Imperm. That's not good in this matchup. We're gonna activate Karis for 4. Are you gonna imperm me? What do you have? You don't have anything. Okay. I'm gonna summon Shureg. We're gonna activate Shureg effect. If you don't negate this, I will banish your boy. And at the same time, we're gonna chain Oath. I need a beast. If I summon a beast... Oh, okay. That's pretty good. It's a beast warrior. No, wait. Beast warrior, right? Yeah. Beast warrior, wing beast. We're going to select this card, banish it. And that's game. If you don't have, like... Hawk or anything, right? I can even banish for 2, can't I? I don't think I want to push my luck here. I think I just want to go... Well... We're going to go ahead and go for 3. I don't like doing this, but it's okay. This way, I can trigger Shureg on his turn if he stops my attacks. We're gonna go to battle, and we're gonna attack with Fractal. And I swear to God, if you Mirror Force me, I'm gonna be very angry. I think you have to Hawk here, right? No? Okay. We're gonna attack with Omen. Okay, that's it. Sure, we played through the interruption. Even with the bad hand, they just didn't capitalize on it, which is just fine, I guess. Interesting. I wonder what he had set. I really want to know, because, like, that seems like he had some way to interact, but I don't know if it was enough. He didn't hit the right spots. He probably could have stopped us if he would have possibly... Oh, I didn't save it. Yeah, he probably could have stopped us if he would have just... Well, I don't know, actually. Now that I think about it, I don't know if he could have stopped us. We had so much after that from just continuous plays. He didn't capitalize, he didn't have skill drain, he didn't have any negates, he didn't have anything that really slowed our plays down. I had so much extension, and that's like... If you can just survive with the deck, even after getting interrupted, the deck is really, really good, but then again, you can have some hands, like with the Shaddoll in the last video, where your hands are just bad and you can't do anything. So, yeah, I don't know what he kind of had. But that's it for the video. I kind of got lost in this because I was having a lot of fun playing these duels because they were much more interactive. Thanks, guys, for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Happy dueling, everybody. Go out there and grind a plat. It's fun.